Okay, this is a very interesting course. How to manage your ACOS, high or lower. I get this question asked every time. How do I lower my ACOS? Let's jump into it. Let's find a sponsored report and I'll be happy to show you. Okay, so for example, here, high ACOS and lower ACOS. We're gonna go ACOS, we're gonna get rid of the blanks, and this is our blend of lower ACOS and higher ACOS. So what is the mid-range of an ACOS where you should be? Well, that depends on your product, its relevancy, your landing cost, the cost, what you pay. Anything that's competitive, you could have an ACOS targeting 20% and below. Anything that has a good profit, well, I don't know about that if it exists on Amazon or not, but anything that has a good profit, we can target after, we can go after higher ACOS. So higher profitable. You're looking like 20, 30, 35%. But a lot of products today on Amazon are under 20% profitability. So how do you lower it? So let's say, for example, you have this one, this ACOS right here, pulling your leg. Okay, let's say that one is really killing your business. So the only thing you do is you take that 86% keyword phrase, you take it there. Okay, this is an ASIN. So we just take that ASIN and we negative ASIN that one. Now, if it's really costing you a lot of money and the conversions aren't good, just put it negative ASIN and negative the what you call the brand name, and that should take care of it. If it's a keyword, then just put it under negative exact to get rid of that keyword. So next time when the campaign is running, it's not going to target. Even if it gets targeted, it's not going to charge you for that keyword phrase, and that's going to take care of it. Finish. Now, if this one is omitted, then your overall ACOS drops by itself. Then do the exact same thing that I told you in the previous. You take each of these keywords and you extract it to the maximum as you can. Do a broad match 5 different ways. Do a phrase match 5 different ways. Do an exact match 5 different ways and extract the information as much as you can to get the profitable information. How to lower an ACOS, which is already lower. So in order to lower an ACOS, you have to go after the blanks. Now, these are all the blanks we have, means we spend a lot of money, but we did not convert. So what we need to do is we need to take these keywords, number one, negative exact them. Now, people ask me questions like, if I negative exact them and they're relevant to my product, will I lose sales on them? The answer is yes, and the answer is no also. It depends on the campaign. Every campaign that we create has its own purpose. So if in one campaign you are negativing them, it has nothing to do with the other campaign. It's still going to show up on the other campaign if you're going to retarget it. But if in the previous campaign, if you negative ASIN it, it's not going to target it. Every campaign has its own results, okay? So each campaign is different than each other. You can repeat targeting a same keyword more than 100 times, and you're going to see different results every time, okay? So it's a very simple technique, and that's it. Let's move to the next chapter. Thank you so much for watching.